There's a pretty good chance if you're on Facebook and you're trying to monetize your Facebook page, you may have seen some ads pop up from, his name is Adrian Brambila. I'm probably saying it wrong, but Adrian Brambila. So this guy, you'll see ads come through your feed every once in a while, and you know how basically the algorithm works. You search for something and everything pops up. So if you're seeing him, he does have a program. I will say it was pretty informative. I've been doing this for a long time, so a lot of times what I'll do is I'll buy other people's programs and see if there's anything that I know that they don't. And it's interesting because in most of these programs, and again, I'm giving credit where credit's due, is there's still some gatekeeping. And I think the gatekeeping part is buy the program and, oh, by the way, as you're buying it, it's the upsell, the upsell, the upsell. And I think sometimes people kind of get sick of all that stuff. You know, the upsell really kind of takes away from the product itself. Do I sell product? Yes. I saw someone very similar, but the only point is it's a one and done. I don't want your email address. I don't care about any of that stuff. It's just one and done. And the whole idea is this, is that if you're trying to get into the Facebook page monetization program, you're going to have to do some reels. You're going to have to do some work. I've got some people that work for me right now that do those things, but you're going to have to really kind of put the effort in. I saw something the other day and somebody said, I really don't want to do much posting anymore. How long is it going to take me to get there? Well, there meaning if you want to be monetized, you're going to have to do a lot of posting. Now, the secret that I find is something called batching, in which you are going to have all these reels, you maybe even post themselves, and start going ahead and put them on your calendar date to date to date. So in other words, I'm already a month ahead on one of my pages. I've got 3 pages, but I've got batching going on so that if something happens, maybe I get sick, maybe the person that works for me gets sick, then I don't have to worry about a week or 2 weeks. So batching is really key to this whole thing. But to get in it, you've got to do a lot of stuff, and you've got to have resources. You've got to have things that you want. You have to have things that the audience is actually truly interested in. So if I'm creating a page about, you know, butterflies, for instance, I'm going to have like a certain type of audience, but I may want to go a little bit more broad with that, you know. Or maybe you want to be niche specific. It depends. But the point is this, is that you've got to know your audience. If you don't know your audience, you don't even know who this information is going to go out to in the algorithm, because the algorithm ultimately is everything. So a little bit about him. I just happened to look up again because it's been a while. He's all about side hustles. He does a lot of different things, but he says basically that he had, he worked for T-Pain. He was a dancer of some sort. So he's got some credentials, but now he's funny. He says he lived in a van. I see this one part where he says he lived in a van. Now, maybe he did live in a van. I don't know. The point being is, I'm not here to diss the guy. I'm here to say that he does have a legit program. He has legitimate offers besides the program. But in my personal opinion, I'm the kind of person that once I do buy something, I really do not like the upsell stuff unless it's really, really beneficial, which I find in most cases it's not for myself. As I said before, I've got a short PDF you can read through. It won't even take that long actually, but the point is this, is I'm going to give you some information in a free PDF to begin with. If you're interested, great. If not, no big deal. But you've got to know more about these reels, because that's what's going to get more eyes on your page. Those reels, like you can post, you can do image posts, you can do text posts, but I'm telling you right now, those reels are going to go 0 to 60, and you will notice a big difference as you're posting more reels, if that's what you're actually trying to get ahead with. And that's really about it. If you have any questions, I am here for you. But just to tell you that if you're curious about Adrian's course, it is good. It's thorough. But as I said before, there's a lot of courses out there that's similar. So if you're interested in the free PDF that I've got in the description box, be sure to check it out. And I'll see you in the next video.